Hey there, this is Patkat.trading. Today's Monday, November 21, Thanksgiving week, and I just want to do a quick analysis on the S&P 500 and why I think it might go down this week. So let's get this started. So on the monthly, we were at the supply zone, and I like the supply zone because it closed under this low, pretty much engulfed it, so gives a lot of importance to this. Pretty much confirms the supply zone for me. Let's look at the weekly. We are pretty much at this weekly supply zone here. I like marking my weekly supply zone in red. If you notice why this is important, back in June we had this almost slightly more than a month of consolidation. Then we pushed up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weekly range, and it pushed up for a month. Then we had 1, 2, 3 weeks of dumping, and this was the first real buying that happened in this whole downtrend. Then after that green candle, then we dumped 1, 2, 3 more. So it's pretty much safe to say that whoever bought in this candle pretty much trapped. So I like the supply zone. So we pushed up on the week of November 7, pushed up. Then the week after that, no continuation. We had the spinning top. So usually how you trade spinning tops, it's pretty much an indecisive move. Bulls and bears are just pretty much battling. But my lean is, since this is a supply zone, my lean is that this goes lower. Because if not, if this goes higher, then it pretty much just does this. Then it hits this supply zone over here. So pretty much just stop out here and it's just enter short from here. But for now, I like my chances that my lean is this supply zone holds and this goes down to the downside. Where do I think it's going? I'm gonna mark out this low here. What could happen is what I'm hoping to see is some sort of, if this ends up to be a rejection, then it's definitely going for these, unless it just bounce going over there. But my lean is it goes down, takes the liquidity here, maybe bounce from here, then go up to here, because I think there's still a lot of unfinished buyers over here. You see this if you look at this candle, this week was rejected, and normally you would want to see something like this. This got rejected, and normally you want to see the next week as continuation over here. Well, look at what happened here. This week got rejected, buyer stepped in, and then we had an engulf and broke this high. So there's a pretty good chance that there's still some buyers over here. So what I usually like to do is I mark this whole candle here and look at the confluence here. If I think this is buying, if this is a buying zone, then this could easily just look here, reclaim June low, and push up, go to the supply zone. That's what I hope to see this week, or maybe the week after. And let's see what happens. Because if not, this just the supply zone. The alternative plan is pretty much just wick here, then just continue to go up. Then I'll enter short here, targeting this lows over here. And same plan, I still think they're still going to be buying over here. So I will still go long from 36.30 right there. There's a lot of naysayers thinking we'll probably go to 3,200, but I just can't see it. I still think price will bounce here and go up to, like, there's still unfinished business here. So I think no matter what happens, we just stay within this trading range until the year ends, and the big moves will just happen next year. Oh, look at that. If you mark out this range, we actually just, this is actually a good sign for the bears. Bulls managed to go up to the mid-range, closed above it, then gap down and closed under it. So if we are going to be trading this this range, bears took it down to range low, deviated, and I'm looking for a push down to range low, take up the midline, then go up to here, maybe just the EQ over this one. So that's what I think is gonna happen in the S&P 500. Of course, anything can happen. Actually, I have a couple more reasons why I went short. Look on the daily. See how this this is a big candle on November 10, engulfed a lot of candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count this, 6. So it engulfs 6 candles. 1, 2. So normally when you get an engulfing candle like this, you pretty much should expect continuation. But what happened is we pretty much got consolidation, and that's really not something you want to see if you're a bull. You normally want to see, if you get a big pump candle like that, you normally want to see continuation like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, a lot of up candles there, up candles. But this one, when you see an up candle like this, you don't want to see a range. You really don't want to see a range. So also, if we're gonna look at a daily, we pretty much tag the 200 EMA, and what else? That's also the 618 fib. So if we mark a fib there, also hit the 618. So it's a good short idea. The bull case is this pushed up, maybe form a bull flag, then push up to the supply zone over here. If that happened, I am going to be all in short here. So that is my plan. So yeah, that's pretty much what I see for the S&P 500 for this week. I think it's going to be a big week. We're going to get a big move, and we're going to do a big move. Then we see, hopefully, Santa rally. Okay, that's it. Thanks again.